Alright, welcome to everybody over at Do It Right Plumbing. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how to increase your online presence. Alright, I'm going to show you citations, backlinks, and content. Alright, we're going to go over all 3 of those things today. I'm going to start right off with your website. Alright, I'm glad that you guys got the phone number right there. Alright, that's good. Your location, your hours, your services. Alright, this is not bad. I would like to see more words and more explanations on this front page. Alright, it's good to always have reviews. Alright, I don't see anything wrong with that at all. When I typed in Do It Right Plumbing Syracuse, your Google My Business popped up, that's what I like to see. Alright, actually let me go back to your website real quick. The first thing I wanted to talk about was content. And content has anything to do with anything on your website, even what pictures are saved as. So say I wanted to save this image, should say not banner 2, but it should say your business name in here under the saved as. Alright, so Do It Right Plumbing ... Okay, so that's something that we could talk about later. Alright, and then we're gonna hit up Google. Alright, your Google My Business. The second thing I wanted to talk to you about today is the citation. Now the citation is your business name, your address, and your phone number. Some businesses don't necessarily need an address because they are service based, so they go to the customer, which is totally fine, but that's kind of what a citation is. It's good to have one. Alright, let's do Plumber, Syracuse, New York. Google guarantees are great to have, worth the investment 100%. I believe that they're better than regular Google ads because people have a lot of ad blockers on their devices, so I would rather do the Google guaranteed. So we got to get you guys in there. Okay, this is the Google Map Pack. As you may know, the businesses that are in this get most of the calls because Google puts that map pack right on top. Alright, and then we get into the directories. Directories are websites that let businesses put their information on there. Okay, so Angie's List does this, Yelp, you got Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn does this, a bunch of websites like that. Alright, and then as you scroll down, when the first business pops up, that's where the organic listings start. And the third and final thing I wanted to talk with you about today was backlinks. So not all backlinks are created equal, but they have a lot to do with the organic listing side of it. Alright, pretty much what a backlink is, it's another website that has an ad in it that points to your website, and that's gonna overall bring in more potential clients, more potential customers to you. Okay, so backlinks are super powerful, definitely needed nowadays. Alright, I don't see you guys on this front page for plumbing. I also tried drain cleaning Syracuse. No, I didn't see you guys here either, which is totally fine. You know, that means we got some work to do. We got to get you on this front page of Google. Alright, so I checked out some numbers. This is Ahrefs. I pay for this monthly. This shows me all of the numbers for any website. Okay, Google pays, or I'm sorry, Ahrefs pays Google for these numbers. Alright, you guys have a URL rating of 23 out of 100. Okay, so it's not too low and it's not too high, but we got a lot of work to do there. Alright, and as you can see, the domain rating is a 1.7 out of 100. So we got a lot of work to do there too. Alright, the domain rating is pretty much how much power that Google gives to your website, and the URL rating is how much trust that Google has in your website. There are those backlinks I'm talking about. 49 referring domains are giving you the 617 backlinks. Historically, you guys have had 4,000 of them, but these are the ones that are live currently. Alright, and we're going to talk about keywords in a moment. You guys bring in just under 100 people a month to your website, and the traffic value is bringing you 1.5K a month. Alright, so we got a lot of work to do, to say the least. All right, keywords. Let's actually see what you guys are ranking for real quick. So when we check out keywords, keywords are super powerful in multiple ways, because when we look at the volume, that's how many people look for each keyword monthly, and we want to make sure we get in the first position for each keyword. Now, it's good to see that you guys are ranking first position for plumbers Oswego, Fulton, New York plumber. Obviously you're going to get it for your business name. All right, so people do look up your business, which is awesome. Keywords are anything that people look up in Google. So any service or anything someone is looking up on Google, that's technically a keyword. Okay, Do It Right Plumbing. Let's see. But I guess I could use this as examples right here. Plumbers Oswego NY. You know, an extra 20 customers a month. That's doing good for your business. An extra 50 customers a month. That's doing good for your business, right? Done Right Plumbing. I'm trying to find like a bigger volume. Plumbers Syracuse. See, if we were ranked first for that Plumbers Syracuse, you guys could have all 500 of these potential customers right there. So 500 extra customers a month changes lives. It changes businesses for the better. You know, a lot of businesses actually push away business because they're so busy, they don't have the staff. A lot of people aren't working right now, okay? However, if you're not in that case and you're looking for more work, which a lot of businesses are looking for work, people need work done. Plumbing, people need it. Okay, so it's an emergency type business. You guys got to help out as many people as you can. All right, so ranking for these keywords, the more customers we can help out monthly, the better. All right, so any dreams or goals that you may have for your personal life or for the business, it's all going to help out here. Starting here, getting the content right, getting the backlinks right, getting the citation right, getting you on that front page of Google. It's all going to benefit you. Here's a competitor, all right, DBR Plumbing. Their website's okay. These are their numbers, so if you want to compare it to your numbers, they have a 28 and 2. You guys have a, let's see, I don't remember it. Do you? Sure, I could have just scrolled back. In the video, you could have just scrolled back in time, but that's okay. You guys 23 and 1.7, 28. So around the same. They bring in a little bit more traffic value. Let's see this last competitor real quick. This is AP Plumbing. All right. Their website's all right. They might have a lot of work to do. Yeah. Okay, so 27 referring domains are giving them 97 backlinks. A lot of their backlinks might not work because it's keeping this number pretty low. Okay, 14. I feel like that should definitely be higher. All right. Yeah, spammy backlinks. Backlinks are not created equal. Let's see what they're ranking for. Syracuse Plumbing, Plumbing Syracuse, Around Town Plumbing, Drain Connection Syracuse, Town Mechanical Syracuse, AP Sump Pump Repair. Literally anything. We could go through these, and what works for your competitors are going to work for you. So if we plug in the same keywords into your website, there's no way it doesn't work, and we could do better. We could do way better and beat them on these positions, get the first positions for these keywords. All right, I know I'm approaching a 10-minute video, but sky's the limit here. All right, this information I gave you today, these free tips, if you're not looking to work with me, that's totally fine. Run off with these free tips. Seriously, I think it's really going to benefit you. Businesses nowadays need to have an online presence. There's no doubt about it. Having a website up, that's huge. All right, getting on the front page of Google is necessary for businesses to truly succeed these days. All right, so think about it. Let me know. I look forward to hearing back from you. All right, at the end of the day, I'm just the guy that's showing you these tips. You're the hero of your business. So I treat my business like my baby. So I'm going to do whatever it takes to keep that baby going. you should look at your business the same way. All right, take it all in. It's a lot of information here. This will be posted on YouTube, so you can watch this over and over again. All right, I appreciate it. Have a good one.